In this lesson, we will introduce users to the layout and basic navigation of SmartBuy. The SmartBuy screen is separated into two major workspaces. The information and capabilities provided on the top navigation panel remains visible throughout your session, whereas the lower workspace varies depending on the task being performed. Upon login into SmartBuy, most users will arrive on the Home Shop tab. In the upper left corner of the top panel is the SmartBuy logo. To the right of the logo is your name and a link to access your user profile. The profile holds information about your permissions, navigation setup, defaults including your default account codes, ship to and build to addresses, and other key information that determines what you see and what tasks you can perform in the application. Directly below your name is the heading for the current tab selected in the lower panel. In the upper right corner of the top panel is the shopping cart. When a new cart is created, it is identified by the cart name, the number of items added to the cart, and the total cost. The cart name defaults to the current date, username, and cart number. If one or more items have been added to the cart will be bolded as shown here. Below the cart link, you will see Search For, which allows you to quickly find items from Product Search, access a purchase order or requisition, or view a specific contract. Depending on your role in your security settings, you may have additional search options in the Search For box. Search For is a popular tool when the identification number, such as the PO number, catalog number, or contract number, is known. Navigation through the application is accomplished by choosing the desired tab and then selecting any sub-tabs as needed. The navigation tabs are located at the top of the lower panel. To see more information about any of the tabs, simply hover over the tab to see all available sub-tabs. Let's quickly discuss each of the primary navigation tabs. The Home Shop tab is used for shopping and provides quick access to other key parts of the application, such as favorites and forms. All shopping methods are easily accessible from the home page, including simple and advanced product search, managing and selecting favorites, using forms, adding non-catalog items, using quick order for catalog number entry, browse by vendors and category, and accessing contract search. On the left side of the workspace are two areas of special interest. The Welcome to SmartBuy area is used to communicate important information, such as new suppliers, contact information, and training material. The Action Items area is used as quick access to recently completed and pending requisitions, purchase orders, and also invoices. Approvers can also see if there are any orders to be approved, and administrators are notified of any tasks that require their attention. To the right is the Showcase Supplier and Punch-Out area, where you will find access within SmartBuy to showcased supplier products and punch-out links to the off-site supplier catalogs. These suppliers have special York pricing and may also offer customized and configurable products. The Favorites tab is used to create and define shared and personal favorites folders and items. Favorites represent products and services that are frequently ordered from hosted catalogs or non-catalog forms. Items from a punch-out site cannot be added to favorites. However, search and favorite functions are available on the punch-out e-commerce sites. Once an item is added as a favorite, it can be moved and copied between folders. Also, both folders and items may be edited or removed. When accessing the Favorites tab, the last set of items used will display. The Forms tab is currently used within SmartBuy to create specific forms, such as non-catalog purchases for products not currently found in the SmartBuy catalog. Most of these forms are routed through procurement services for further processing and approval. The Carts tab is used to view and modify the current shopping cart, create new carts, delete existing carts, review returned and assigned carts, and to prepare carts for processing, such as adding or updating shipping information and other defaults from within your profile. Remember that a cart is your selection of items and services prior to your submitting it as a requisition and going through formal approvals. The Document Search tab is used to access prior ordering information, check on the status of a current order, review an order recently placed, and more. It includes quick lists to your requisitions and purchase orders, as well as searches for your department and cost centers. The Profile section is used to review and update your personal settings, ranging from time zone, email preferences, default ship-to addresses, and accounting information and more. For more information on setting up or editing your profile, please see the SmartBuy video lesson, Profile, Updating Your Basic Information. Depending on your role within SmartBuy, additional navigation tabs are the Settlement tab, used to create invoices and receipts, and the Approvals tab, which is visible to all users with purchase requisition, purchase order, or invoice approval permissions. On the far right side of the navigation tabs is a drop-down menu of more navigation options. Help is available through the SmartBuy system. Strategically placed question marks are located at the tab and sub-tab levels that provide online help for the display area. Look for the question mark on York-specific forms, which will offer help for entering the proper information on each area of the form. In addition, many of the text labels throughout the application are hyperlinks to online help for that topic. At the very bottom of the screen is the My Resources area that includes contact email and phone number, as well as a hyperlink to additional resource information. This concludes the introduction to the layout and basic navigation of SmartBuy. For further assistance, contact Procurement Services.